Hey yo, what up, 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 what up. Mega shout out everyone. Maganda at mapagpalang madaling araw ng Tuesday dyan sa Pilipinas. Maganda at mapagpalang hapon ng Monday dito sa Petersburg, Alaska. Kuya Mel live updating, you know. Update lang pag may time, mga sir, mga mama, mga insan, mga choy. Keep going. Stay updated, you know. It's the 7th day of our seasonal job here at Petersburg, Alaska at OBI Seafoods, you know. It's July 1, 2025. Arriba Mexico, arriba El Salvador, arriba Ecuador, arriba Puerto Rico, arriba las Pilipinas, you know. Advance happy 4th of July everyone. Kuya Mel live updating, you know, update lang pag may time, mga sir, mga ma'am, mga insan, mga choy. Kakatapos lang natin ng ang lunch time, 1 hour. Yun. Tuloy lang ang laban, ika nga. Pag may tiyaga, may nilaga. As always, as usual, walang sawang pasasalamat sa inyong lahat sa suporta at saka sa ayuda sa ating munting FB page at saka sa ating munting YouTube channel at Mel Amores Berhido. Always stay safe and healthy kayo dyan sa Pinas. Our best regards to all, and may the Lord bless us all. Hanggang sa muli, Kuya Mel, I'm out. Peace. Bye for now.